think we're going to look for Charca Las Golondrinas, the swallow pond here at El Jibarito, and then we'll show you those trails. We haven't been down there yet, so let's check it out. This way to this waterfall is nice because it's marked with rótulos, and so it says it's only about 10 minutes or so from here. We can start to hear the water falling already, so this is a nice little hike that's kind of, you know, intermediate, not advanced, at least so far. We'll see how it goes. To the Charca Las Golondrinas. Been swimming around, really fun, super chilled water, and I haven't seen any swallows around, but it's nice and kind of climb it. It's a little bit slippery in the rock, but up there on the actual rock wall, it's nice and grippy, so you can kind of climb it. And the river keeps going down even farther. There's apparently a couple of other small cascades around here. I'm not sure we'll do that today, but this is great because there's a nice easy trail. There's even trash cans and signs that mark the way. And this is just so impressive how high this is. I don't know, 100 feet? Crazy, that fall. Walking down the trail to the next pond here, and I noticed on the side that this looked just like ginger, and I said, oh, I think this is a wild ginger, and I looked down and it's what they call the shampoo ginger, that supposedly when you squeeze it, it kind of foams and squirts out like shampoo. So we'll see how this goes. Yep. And see how it's kind of foamy? I don't know if you can actually use it as shampoo, but definitely smells good. Okay, so I think we found La Charca Cimiento, and it's very suave, it's very calm. It's not like a big waterfall or anything like that. But it looks like you could, kind of see over here, you can get into the water, take a nice little dip. Looks like it maybe gets 5 or 6 feet deep. And it's a nice, easy flowing river. So it'd be pretty nice to just kind of get into, but I think I prefer so far Las Golondrinas.